Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's a little bit of an extra sneaky little vlog because I've been buying some fabrics. I know, I would say I feel naughty, but I absolutely don't. I mean, like we can have whatever fabrics we want, can't we folks? So let me take you through what I've got. I won't go into all of the garments I'm going to make because some of these are going to feature in a August update of sewing plans, and then some of them will feature in a autumn one in September. I just wanted to run through what's been coming into my sewing room because then I can get it, well, some of it put away, some of it cut out this morning. So yesterday, oh my goodness, we went to the Vivienne Westwood exhibition at Bowes Museum at Barnard Castle. It's weird because it's about 20 minutes away from where I was brought up, but it's about an hour and a half for us to get there now, but it was so worth going, and we've done the year's membership, which was only £5 more because there's going to be a David Bowie exhibition within the next year, they think. So anywho, my head was just full of tartan and all sorts yesterday after that, but I need to stay focused. So we went to Boys in Barnard Castle. You'll remember I was there a few weeks ago at Blythe, which is that way. That's why I'm pointing that way, and Bowes is that way. And they had some things that were the same and some things that's different. They've definitely had a big delivery of little Johnny bolts in Boys. Sorry, Boys don't do online. Not my fault, can't help it. But if you've got one near you, it's worth a look. It's always hit and miss, but they seem to be good at the minute. Right, so first one is a cotton lawn. It was £8 a metre. I've reversed image searched all of these. I can only find this in like ready-to-wear garments that seem to be based in France. But if anybody spots it anywhere else, please put it in the comments. It might help somebody. So this is it just here. Quite a pretty, fairly bold print, but not too bold. The colours are coming out quite true. It's going to be some sort of shirt, and I'll cover that off in my plans. But £8 a metre for a lawn. Extremely good value, semi-opaque, like I won't need to line it, and that was probably the one that I was like, do I, don't I? And I just thought, £8 a metre, Alison, get 2 metres, you won't regret it. Now this one you might recognise. I've seen this in various places over the summer. As I hold these up, if you like, where can I get that? Pause the video, take a screenshot, and then you can reverse Google image. Obviously I can't put links into Boys because they're not available, but this one is available in some places. This is it said viscose on the label, but it's a viscose lawn, and it's actually a little Johnny fabric, and this was labelled at £7.50 a metre but reduced to £5 a metre, which was kind of what swung it for me. I think I've seen it about £9 a metre in other places, so it was a little bit of a bargain. Again, I got 2 metres. And it's this one just here. So another one of the beautiful postcard fabrics that's been kicking around all summer. I love the tigers that are on it. Hopefully, can you see one of them? Yeah, I just love the pinks, the blues, the sunshine, the pineapple, everything about that. It's absolutely directional. And that is also going to be some sort of blouse or top made up soon. Come back for an update fairly soon. Next one, very plain, white double gauze. This was £8 a metre, which I think is pretty reasonable. I know you can get plain double gauze for about £6.50 a metre, but then I wasn't paying postage. And I was going to get 1 metre of this, but I got 2 because I want to knock out a couple of quick tops out of that. Beautifully soft. It was so nice yesterday. It was about 24 degrees when we were walking around Barney. And yeah, just a beautiful day for a ride out with Saturday. And yeah, it just made me think about what do I want in my summer wardrobe. This one is also, I think, a little Johnny. I did reverse image search this, and this was £8 a metre as well, which seems to be quite comparable to the price elsewhere. So I'll hold it up so you can see all the details. So very pale yellow, blues and pale pinks, double gauze, very nice, so soft, softer than the other one. I just got 1 metre of this one because that's just going to be a little top. So that was my quick and easy Boys haul. I'm just going to move my coffee out the way so I don't knock it all over my pre-washed fabric. So the next one I put it into a box at Neil's about 2 weeks before we went to the quilt festival, and a few days ago I just said to Verity, have I got something in a box? I completely forgot. She was like, oh yeah. So I think there's 3.5 or 4 meters of this. It was around £5 a metre, and it was one of the, oh, I've just gone really warm. It was one of their like pre-cut. They only have one in, and it was one that I took a bit of a punt on. I wasn't sure what it would be like. It's actually a yarn dyed linen viscose, like a lightweight linen viscose, I would say. This one I think might sit till next year. I'm not got it. Well, actually, I might have a little plan for this in October. I'll tell you about that yet. Although it looks very summery, I think it'll come in for something then. And it's lovely. I'm going to open this out because it's actually quite heavy to hold up with getting so much of it. So it's quite muted colours, where the yarn dyed Emile pants that I recently shared were quite stronger colours. This is lighter colours. I think if I made trousers in it, I would need to line them, but I have got a plan. It's really lovely. Like when you open it and you're like, oh, that's even better than I thought it was going to be. This was one of that. So I think it was 3.5 meters. When I put it on my rotary dryer, it took like 3 and a bit. I had to kind of put it round it lengthways. But it's washed lovely, very nice. Yeah, well, I'll tell you, we're having a challenge in So Virtual. We haven't had one for a few months, but in October, before we start making for everybody else, I don't know if I've told you this, we're going to, Christmas things for everybody else. We're having a month of treat yourself. So treat yourself to a lovely loungewear set, or like a luxury pyjama set, and luxury again, it can be whatever definition of that works for you. And that's going to be our challenge. And they're always kind of a random draw. I just pick someone out and there's a prize at the end. And I don't really faff on that much with pyjamas for myself, but I do fancy a really nice pair, so I think that's what that's going to be. It's quite heavy, but it's lightweight to sleep in. Okay, so when I was at the Festival of Quilts, might have called it the Stitch Festival earlier on, Festival of Quilts, I got the green version of this from Cool Crafting, but I spotted it on Lullabee Fabrics. Lullabee Fabrics have some absolutely delicious fabrics in, and the bonus is, when I got this through the post, I also got 10% off my next order as well. I've not ordered yet, but I will definitely be ordering. So this is like, it's got a different name on Lullabee, but it's called like a heavyweight slub gauze or something like that. So it's double gauze, but it's more structured. You might remember I shared the green one recently, and I've got it in 2 colours. So the first one I'm going to show you is the sand. So it's washed. Obviously I've not pressed it because it's double gauze, so you've got a very creased side that way, but it's actually a bit smoother on this side here. And the trousers were made with the smoother side outwards, and that's what I think I'm going to do. So that both of these are for trousers. You could make a shirt in this, anything. It would be absolutely lovely. But I have got plans. This one particularly I'd like to get made up, and we'll go into my holiday plans. So I got that one. So this was, I want to say £18.99 at Cool Crafting, and it was £13.99 a metre at Lullabee. And because I got 4 metres of this, it took me over £50, and that gave me free postage. And the next one is going to go into my autumn capsule collection. It's not very capsule, actually. I need to stop putting the word capsule in. It's just going to be my autumn collection, because yeah, I pretty much think I need all new clothes for autumn. I put a jumper on the other day, like the sleeves were down here, it was hanging off here, so yeah. But I've got the fabrics already. So this one is like a, I want to say rust, but more of a brick colour. It's a beautiful colour. I mean, this could be summer or it could be winter, and I think these will be, I'll make them and then they'll come out season after season. Absolutely love it. And I think the other one they had, they didn't have the green, might have been like a rose pink shade. Very tempted, might happen. Yeah, sometimes you just think, I can't wait. If these had gone out of stock and I'd waited, I'd have been very frustrated with myself. So these are not like a normal double gauze. They're not like the double gauze as I showed you earlier. Hopefully you can see like the structure of the fabric. It doesn't, yes, if I drop it, it drops, because fabric does, but it doesn't have that drape and softness that a double gauze normally does. So you want some trousers. I think you could make like the Alba pants in these, the Tessuti Alba, Tessuti demi pants are one I'm wanting to look at with them. Even something like the Sapphire pants would give you like a nice defined shape in these, and I think they'd be quite lovely actually. So that is those. So again, 2 meters of that one just there. And then my final one is one that you might be rather surprised to see me share in August, because it's boiled wool. I know. I've been on a bit of a journey since, well, not a journey, what a load of rubbish Ali said. Right, my head's been full since the Festival of Quilts, and Carl's just said, I don't know how you're sleeping at night, because I just wake up thinking about what I want to make, what I want to do. Is anybody else the same? And I'd kind of ruled out, I think it's called the Alma, I'll put it on the screen, vest by, it's like a tank vest boiled wool from Tessuti Fabrics. The girls that I saw with the Sawtune have made it, but I felt like because I was bigger busted, it would just come out like be a bit matronly, hang off my bust. Anyway, I think I recently said that Hayley brought one in for me to try of hers. Now she's smaller than me, but this was the small size, just to let me sort of see. So there are some pictures, I'll put them in. I probably, you know, I wasn't smiling for these. Lynn just took them so I could take them home and see the fit of it. I think I need to lower it under the arms just to make the arm sigh, which is just to open it bigger for my arms, because I'm going to wear a shirt or a long sleeve t-shirt under it. But apart from that, I really like the fit. Now, there is a free download. I'll put the name of that in the screen. I did download that and I compared it to that fabric piece. That one had a more sloped shoulder. No, one came out, one was more sloped. So I think I'm going to go with the one that I've tried on. Boiled wool's quite expensive, isn't it? It's about £30 a metre. And it is something I prefer to feel in person, because I know it can feel a bit prickly, but I'm always going to wear this over something. It's not good. I couldn't have a cowl that was near my neck in it, because I'd just be like that all day. So it's always going to be over a crew neck, like a t-shirt. Maybe I could do a very soft low polo, not really sure on that, or a shirt over the top of it. So I'd started browsing around for boiled wool. Dalston Mills had a couple on that were reduced to £12.99 a metre, and I thought, oh, because I kind of want to trial it and wear it and see if I really like it before I start spending £30 a metre. I'd get one of these out of a metre. So they had a very rich red on the website, and I ordered a metre, and then they messaged me and said, we just haven't got it. We thought we did. We apologise. Is there anything else you would like? We've got a silver one, or we've got these cotton fabrics. I thought, no, I don't want cotton fabric. That's not what I'm after. I want boiled wool. I want to do the overlapping of the seams and all of that, not hemming it, all that whole thing. So I had a look. They have lots more at £30 a metre, and they had a silver one that they mentioned. So I said, just send me a measure of the silver one, that's fine. Because it's kind of a neutral colour anyway, isn't it? So this is it. So it's boiled wool. It is a little bit, I mean, I would find anything like this would feel itchy. It's lighter on the inside. I don't know which is the right and wrong side of this, really. Maybe you can help. I think this is the inside, where it's loopy. I might take it to the next store town and just ask the girls. And this is the outside. You might be able to help me. Which of these? Lighter inside, darker outside? That's the way I'm thinking I would wear it, rather than the lighter. Because if I wore a white shirt under that, that wouldn't really stand out on there. So yeah, I got a metre of that for £12.99 from Dalston Mills. I think the postage was £3.99, something like that. I actually think that postcard fabric from Little Johnny is also on Dalston Mills. I'm sure I've seen it on there at quite a reasonable price as well, maybe £8 or £9 a metre. So again, that'll come into an autumn wardrobe. I won't be cutting into that for a while, but I wanted to share it with you. And the last one hasn't arrived yet, but beautiful Erica from my socials, I'll take a picture of it and put it on, sent me a picture and said, I'm having to sort out, would this be something you used? And I was like, hell yes. It is a beautiful 100% Huddersfield wool check with a matching lining. Erica has lovely taste in fabrics. I know it's going to be gorgeous, and I know that that's going to be a jacket, and it's going to really fit in with that brown green sort of feel that I've got for autumn coming up. So yeah, I'll have no thoughts on a pattern for that yet. I'll get the fabric, let the fabric chat to me, and then I'll see what it's like from there. So that is it for fabrics. Hope you've enjoyed that little haul. Let me know if you've been buying anything interesting and new lately, patterns or fabrics, or any of these that you like the look of that you might go and get, or things that you're purchasing. Yeah, just let's have a chat. Let's talk about fabrics in the comments below, and I will be back on Friday with some mix. I'll see you then.